In today's video, I'm going to teach you export product images from Shopify. This walkthrough will show you how to find the right app, install it safely, and begin an export job so you can back up, migrate, or organize your product photos with confidence. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, you'll land on the Home area, and from the left sidebar, open the Apps section. Here, use the search to find an app that can export images. Type CS Export and select the result named CS. Export product images to open its listing. On the app listing, take a moment to review the key details. Scroll through the screenshots and description to understand how the export works and what file formats or folders you'll receive. Look for the Built for Shopify badge. This indicates the app meets Shopify's quality standards and follows best practices for performance and security. If you'd like to see how it behaves with a sample catalog, click View Demo Store to preview the experience before installing. When you're ready, click Install on the app listing. Shopify will bring you back into the admin to confirm permissions. Review what the app can access, then click Install again to grant access. You'll be taken to the app's dashboard within your store. From the dashboard, start by choosing Create New Job. This is where you define what images you want to export. If you're new to the tool, open the Setup Guide first. It gives you a quick overview of required fields and recommended settings so your first export runs smoothly. Next, apply filters to target only the products you need. Use the Filter Products options to narrow by collection, tags, vendor, or any criteria the app supports. Filtering is especially helpful if you're exporting images for a specific launch or if you want to keep your export smaller and faster. Before you run larger jobs, it's a good idea to review the plans inside the app so you understand any limits, processing speeds, or costs associated with high-volume exports. If you ever get stuck, open support to see documentation or contact options directly from the developer. You can also check the Partners area to learn how the app integrates with other services or to explore additional resources that might streamline your workflow. Once your filters are set and you're comfortable with the plan details, you're ready to proceed with your export job from the dashboard. That's all you need to confidently export product images from Shopify using CS, Export Product Images. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section